Haddock, vegetables, and cheese bake. A main dish from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Mix rice and frozen vegetables together and place half of the mixture in a glass baking dish, covering the bottom of the dish. Step 2. Place the fish fillets on top of the rice and vegetables. Step 3. Sprinkle the lemon juice over the fish and repeat another layer of rice and vegetables on top of the fish. Top with crushed pineapple. Step 4. Mix mayonnaise with pineapple juice and cover the second layer of vegetables. Step 5. Top with slices of cheese and bake uncovered for about 30 minutes, or until cheese is golden and melted, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 6. Best served with fresh garden salad. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.